pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and watch the video till the end and you think about maybe subscribing to this channel and taking a chance on it. If you're returning, hi, you guys know I love you. So I have a different type of bag today, the Glitz Glam Bag. I got last month for the first time and I got it this month, and I did a look with it, the palette that I got, and it was the Forever Charms and I loved it. So anyhow, I had went ahead and got their tool bag. That's what it was called. It was like beauty tools you can't live without or something like that, and it was $25. So I decided I was going to get this. It's a one-time purchase. So we're going to unbox this today and see what they sent me. Okay. I love it when things are wrapped in cellophane. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a card. Let's see. Okay, there's a receipt in here. I love receipts. What does it say? Glitz Starter Tools Kit, $25. KARENANN, oh, a little heart. Thank you. Okay, so let's see what they gave me. First off, glitzglambox.com, past box sale. Ooh, it's okay. Oh, this is everything on here that's in here. All right, cool. Well, I'm excited. Let's open her up. Ooh, okay. Here it is here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Let me just take everything out. Okay. Put that over here. The first thing I see is glitter and glitter primer. That will work. Oh, you guys know you can glam up any look with glitter. And it'll just sparkle. Okay, so here we are. This is a good size glitter bottle. And then we've got the glitter primer, and I love that they give you both. That's awesome. Very cool. Okay, is there a value on that? Let me see. The glitter is $4.99 and doesn't say anything about the price of the glue, so I guess it just comes with it. Then I see lash adhesive. Oh, all right. So we've got lash glue in here as well. Does it say the value? Yes, $5.99. No, I think that's for lashes. I guess there's lashes in here too. Okay, so here it is. It's just a little bottle of lash glue. This is probably one of those that have that really thin, yeah, okay. Well, actually, this is not bad. It's got the brush. I hate the ones that have that hard plastic. They don't work very well. Okay, so that's cool. You know me, our lashes, so lash glue is going to work. We've got an eyelash curler. I don't use these very often, but when my eyelashes really start to get straight, then yeah, I'll use that before I put on fake ones. So, doesn't say what that value is there. We have a lash applicator. I love these. These work really, really well. And these are the metal ones. And then we've got a set of brushes. Ooh, what kind of brushes do we get? I see a case and 5 brushes. Ooh, these are crown brushes. Okay. Ooh, and they've got a little case. All right, very cool. This brush I have already, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's nice and thick, and it's good for putting on color. Okay, let's see. Then we've got what looks like a short shader brush. These are really good for concealer and for putting on color as well. Then we have a blending brush. Nice and soft. Here it is. We have a mini, this would be an eyeliner smudge brush, or you can even use it for concealer if you're going to do like a cut crease, or you can use it to put your highlight on your inner corner and your brow bone. And then we have a pencil brush, which is really good for underneath the eye or in the crease. Awesome! So that's exciting. Let me see if they have the value on that here. Nope, I don't see it. Okay. Let's see what's in the other bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, here we go. Lashes. Oh my goodness, look at these babies. 3D. I think these are the things that were $5.99. Not bad. They're style heartbeat, so you know I'll be wearing them. Then we've got, which looks like it's from Kitty Beauty, and there's like a business card in here. Hi, Amanda. I love it. Okay, so there's a little thing of glitter in here as well. That's really cute, and it's purple. All right. I'm liking that. And we're not even done yet. Go figure. All right, there's a palette in here. Romantic Beauty. What is the palette? I don't know. The nude collection, it says $12, so something's $12. 16 colors. Ooh, they got a cool looking mirror. Look at these colors. Oh, do you see that? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my goodness. Too cute. All right, I'm liking that. You've got your purples, your berries. You've got some warm colors, oranges and reds. And then you got some pinks up here. And then you got a pop of yellow, a glitter, and a well-pressed glitter. And you've got a transition shade right here. Very nice. Wow. I'm impressed. Okay. The last thing I see is Romantic Beauty lip gloss, long-lasting, waterproof. I think this is lip gloss. It doesn't say. Wait a minute. Hang on. Something is $16 and something is $12. I'm guessing the palette is $16 and the Romantic Beauty lip is $12. I'm guessing. I could be wrong. Let me just open this up because I really want to see the color and the quality of the lippy. Because this is the color. This is the color that I see everywhere. Different shades of it. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I absolutely love that. Wow. This is a really good box. Guys, I would highly, highly recommend it. I will definitely be using these and updating you guys. Let's just recap really quickly. I got the brush set. It's all for the eyes with the case. I got the glitter, and then I got 2 glitters actually, and then I got the glitter primer, which you need to put on the glitter so it stays in place. Then I got the lash adhesive, the lash applicator, the lashes, an eyelash curler, an eyeshadow palette, and a liquid lip. That's amazing. Okay. That's everything. What do you think? Put everything in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I will see you really soon in another one. Bye!